Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to ITSnippets. Today I'm going to show you how to create a bootable ISO using a program called Etcher. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to download Etcher. So you can go to www.balena.io/Etcher. I'll put a link in the comments down below and simply click the download button. I've already downloaded this. Obviously I am on Windows, but as you can see it has it for Linux and for Mac OS if you're on one of those. Once that's been downloaded, you obviously have to have something that you want to make bootable, your ISO. So in this case, I'm using Proxmox from www.proxmox.com. Once you're in the Proxmox, click on download. It's the Proxmox virtual environment I'm downloading. Click on that. I'm downloading the ISO images and I'm downloading the latest version here, VE 6.3. So I've already downloaded these. So let me just bring my downloads folder in. Okay, as you can see, there's Proxmox and there's Etcher. So let's run Etcher by double clicking on it. It's going to ask me to install it. Just click I agree. Obviously, read the instructions and the end user licensing before you do so, but I'm confident enough that this is fine. So Etcher is loaded and it's saying, do I want to flash my file from a URL, clone a drive? So I'm going to flash my file. I'm going to go to my downloads folder and I'm going to select Proxmox. I'll click open. It's then asking me to select my target drive, so I'm going to click there. It's found a 500 gig hard drive and it's warning me that it's a large hard drive. That's actually very useful. However, it's this 8 gigabyte one here that I want. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click select. And then it's simply a case of clicking flash. User account controls kicking in. It's saying it's want to open a command prompt, so I'm going to click yes. And as you can see, it's now flashing. Okay, it's now validating that it's copied the data correctly. Okay. I'll click cancel because it's trying to open the drive. Don't need to format it, it's because it's been written as a Linux bootloader. As you can see, that's finished. That took around 2.5 minutes. Now you'd have to plug this into machine and test it. You could use a virtual machine, or since I'm going to use this for my next tutorial, you'll be able to see me test it when I plug it in and set up a Proxmox host.
If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.